talking about health optimization and or health transformation, I think looking from head to toe, even with the folks that come to see me with musculoskeletal problems, we're looking at your back, or we're looking at your knee, or we're looking at your ankle. Absolutely, we want to work that part up, but also kind of look north and south to see if there are any other issues. But along with that, I want to know other pieces of information. I want to know kind of what your cell health and what your metabolic health looks like, because if you're horribly inflamed, I can do the greatest regenerative procedure known to man, but you're not going to heal and recover as well as you could or should. I want to know kind of what your micronutrient levels look like, your vitamin levels. Are you insulin resistant? Is your blood sugar all over the place? I also want to know kind of what your hormone status is, and or do we need to kind of beef you up from there? I think those pieces can be very helpful, because if your hormones are optimized, you're going to have the building blocks and or the ability to recover and heal.